Let's see how easy it is to get a home, auto, or commercial quote. First, click on the conversation to get a conversation started. Then we're going to select the AI agent, Edison. Then once Edison's selected, you can upload a policy, or you can just copy and paste the data from a policy. Here, we're going to give it a brief explanation of a 41-year-old named Jack Clark, 100, 300, 100 coverage, single, has one claim, a 2024 Tesla, and lives in Dallas. Okay. We pulled back the data, and we saw that Geico's the cheapest for him, Progressive second, Travelers third. And it also provides information that your agents can tell their clients and prospects just to make them look better and stand out. And one of the cool things is we can see here it's 2/20/15. What if they have 0 claims? So let's say here we had the claims wrong, which typically doesn't happen, which typically will be more, not less claims than they say they have. And we can see here the price went down. So it's going to adjust based on the prospects or clients' information. So this is really great, and it'll save you a lot of time on requotes. Because the cool thing is, you can click this button, send, and it'll have your information ready to go and to provide to the customer, and it'll go straight to their email, and you're able to adjust the email as well.